just like you. You have come to this place seeking to bring judgment upon the damned. You will venture deep into forgotten lands. You will see wonders beyond imagining. Itself will rise up against you. Long forgotten terrors will smother your courage. Sacrifice everything as the final darkness falls. You is death. Only then will you understand. You've been following in my footsteps all along. So come then, you heroes. Come in all your power and glory. For in the final hour, all must serve.